It's 8 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. And
It's a scary Monday.
we decided to start a 7-day water fast
On Koh Chang,
on Koh Chang.
the island of durian and elephants.
I'm gonna try to do 5 days of water fast and then 2 days of dry fast.
I'm aiming for 7 days on just water.
Cool. Do you think it's gonna work?
I hope so. I'm like the worst person at fasting because I'm such a muncher. I was already dreaming about cooking tonight and making some time. So what a way to start a water fast, right?
So why are you doing a water fast? What's the reasoning behind it?
I want to clean up my body.
Alright?
Get a reset. Really appreciate the fruits even more. And the last time we did a water fast was a year and a half ago, and it just seems like we need it, right?
Why would you need it?
Clean up before.
Why would you need it?
Because we ate a lot of junk.
We basically, when our parents were here visiting for the last 3 weeks, we must have eaten, I think, 4 times or 5 times papaya salad.
Not that much. Majority
Not that
of
much,
the time we
no,
ate fruit.
not that much. But every time we ate it, we felt horrible the day after. And basically, papaya salad is just unripe papaya shreds that they mix together with salt, sugar, cooked peanuts. What else is in there? Chili and lemon juice, right?
Yeah.
And tomatoes.
But the worst thing is the salt.
The worst thing is the
The
salt,
salt completely
and the peanuts.
knocks us out.
Yeah, and then the cooked peanuts are very mucus forming, so I can hear the last days when I wake up. I have like a little mucus in my eyes and a little mucus in my nose and in my throat. So yeah, that's why we decide to do a water fast. Get back to the fruits, alright? I mean, we were.
We are in the fruits.
We are in the
just
fruits,
because
but-
we ate like 5 something doesn't make us not in the fruit.
Yeah, but the feeling on them was horrible, right?
Horrible.
Horrible.
Salt is such a drug.
Yeah. So let's get the salt out of our system. Although I think
Anyway,
it's
we
already
have-
out of
we
our
have a
system, right?
beautiful-
We're already like a week and a half fruitarian again.
Without a single symptom.
Yeah.
But we are in a beautiful place.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, motorbike right now, but we are in a place which is completely silent, completely on the beach. We have our own beach bungalow.
You're so cute on video.
Oh, really? I'm sorry, I just woke up. I didn't realize we were filming. I would have like slapped on some.
So what we're gonna do
foundation.
now? We haven't drank anything yet
We're gonna weigh
or eaten,
ourselves.
so we're gonna weigh ourselves
I'm
in
gonna do a
town.
public weigh-in. How much do you think I weigh? Post below before you find out.
Okay.
Or how much do you think he weighs? Like do a she-he virtual weigh-in before we do it. Right?
Good luck on your water fast.
Yeah, man. Likewise. So we're in front of the 7-Eleven here. And we found a scale, right? You're given 1 baht here. You stand here, and then it's supposed to give you a BMI, but it's all in time. I'm not sure we can figure it out.
We don't have 1 baht either.
Oh no.
Gonna have to change it, right?
Yeah. Let's go.
And then finish.
I'm on the scale. I'm putting 1 baht in. Wow. 51.3. Okay.
Oh, click on the red one.
And then put in your height.
1.
5, 3.
Click again on the red one.
15? I have a BMI of 15? That's not possible.
No.
No.
Click on it again. Oh, 1, 5, 3,
Yeah.
and then on the left one.
Yeah. BMI 21.9.
Yeah?
Yeah. And the normal BMI
Oh yeah, there you go.
21.9.
Yeah, 21.
Is that good?
That's okay.
I think 18 is underweight. And
I think
25
so.
is obese?
Yeah.
So halfway through it.
I've read an article, a paper actually from college, honey.
Yeah.
From the University of, I think, Detroit or something, where it said that the optimal BMI for longevity is 21.
21?
Yeah.
Yeah! My best friend! I'm gonna weigh myself 6 times a day now.
No.
This is my claim to fame. I'm gonna live the longest because I have the best BMI.
Okay. You can get up now.
Better get up before I, they accuse me of dry humping the thing. Okay.
Let's see.
Without the backpack
Oh,
to
yeah.
pick. You don't want to skew the results.
This is on a fasting stomach, so we haven't drank nor eaten anything.
But we've pooped.
We pooped. There you
So
go.
this is the real deal with clothes on. Oh my god.
52.6.
Only? Yeah.
19.3.
3.
Hmm.
Not the biggest tippy.
Fruitarian.
Even this one is saying you're too skinny.
No, he's not.
ก็มีสิทธิ์ลุ้นเป็นเจ้าของนิสสันมาร์ทและรถจักรยานยนต์ CPI ฟรี
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Thank you, little machine. Thank you, Thailand. We have some chairs. This is our crib. Mozina, as you know, they can get a little nasty during the day. Some cushions. Stuff. And a bathroom.
Sorry for all the plastic, but there was no other way, you know? There's no springs here on the island, and this is the purest water we found. It's not optimal, right? We've done water fasts before that were in the middle of the jungle with spring water. It's probably more effective, but you know, it's still better to drink this than, you know, to water fasts, I don't know, with more crap water than this.
Is there any more crap water than this?
Yes, a lot. All of them, I guess. This is a really good water. It's called Binere, not sponsored.
In Thailand.
In Thailand. Yeah, look at that. Look how good we look.
48 hours later.
40 hours in. See, I can't even talk anymore.
48 starving hours later.
We're looking pretty good, I would say. Right? Looking very fresh.
Very sharp.
The first night, like this night, was super hard for me. There were a lot of moments where I thought I was dying.
Simon woke me up saying, I think I'm dying twice.
Yeah, I had like these huge chemical releases in my bloodstream and I felt like I was somewhere else, but now I feel pretty good. But we decided that if I lost more than 1 kilo in those 48 hours, we're gonna stop the fast. Basically, we're stopping the fast for me because
75 grams.
yeah,
Okay, 1 kilo.
750 grams. Let's say 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Right? We're gonna stop the fast because I was already so skinny to begin with.
Right? Like 52 kilograms is not a
Yeah,
good weight
that's
for a guy.
very, very skinny. I don't want to be skinnier, and I can already feel that my body is cannibalizing my muscles, and I don't really feel like that. I mean, I think I'm pure enough to sustain myself without the
we
fasting.
only eat fruit.
But let's see. If I lost more than 750 grams, we're gonna stop the fast for both. And you're excited about that,
I'm
right?
excited because I'm more into eating than
We're
not
really
eating.
not good at fasting. That's a conclusion, right?
Really not.
We're very bad at fasting. Let's see.
3 liters of water per day. and I drank like 2.5 liters today, so...
Are you looking for excuses?
Yes, anyway.
So basically 750 grams less for you would be
50.6.
50.6.
Yeah. Okay, do this.
แล้วโทรออกโอนเพียง30
What? I weigh half a kilo more.
ได้แล้ว
How's that possible?
Clearly water
Have you
weight.
been eating,
No.
honey? Have you been eating behind my back?
Chippy, there's nothing to eat in our cottage, you know
But
that.
you must have been eating some fried chicken or something.
51.8. Oh, I know what it is. My period is coming tomorrow.
Okay, too much information.
No, it's true. Women gain weight when they have their period.
Okay, let's see if I
Anyway.
get my period
Wait.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Are you trying to manipulate the machine?
22.1 BMI.
That's overall. I'm so hungry, I hope I don't weigh that much. Okay, so it has to be
So,
51.7
yeah.
or less means we stop the fast.
Yeah.
No. Let's do it again.
Honey, it's gonna weigh the same.
What now?
Fruit stand.
We stop the fast?
Yeah, man.
Why? What's the reasoning behind it?
Because we're not feeling it. We're fruit munchers.
We are, right? We're
Yeah.
fruit monkeys.
You're meant to eat, not fast. Come on. Which animal in nature starts fasting out of its free will? Not sick, not injured, not
A
trying to
fruitarian
feel
animal.
anything. But that's the over-intellectualizing of the
Yeah,
diet.
that's true, right? I
You're
mean-
meant to eat, man.
Somehow I have a double feeling about this. I want to fast, you know, but I also want to eat. I mean, I think both could be beneficial right now.
Okay, let's go eat.
What's your vote?
Eat,
Your vote is eat?
of course. I'm going to eat. Up to you.
โอนเพียง30
Okay, let's see.
Oh, wow. It's another beautiful day in paradise, and I'm actually going to read today. This is my absolute highest excitement, and we don't buy books. I got 2 of these books at the Centara, where we're staying with Simon's parents, and then 2 of these books I got from a little, book exchange at the place where we're staying. So I started my day off just chilling in this hammock and watching the sun, get hotter and hotter. Absolutely in love with our everyday life here. The beach is so beautiful. So peaceful here as well. Look at that view. I love the mountains. Such a beautiful backdrop. There's a girl photo shooting her boyfriend's pants. What a day.